All right, we're still doing life, but I want to talk about this glutes muscle, that gluteus maximus, also your hip. This is the simple test. We're going to test our hip. If you experience pain during the walking or standing in one leg, definitely see the specialist and do specific treatment for it. So how to check if I have any issue with my gluteus is not turning and my hip is uneven. Simple test. So you're gonna start with your left one. So we're checking our left hip now. What are we looking for here? So all you do, just raise this knee up and stay, and see if any changes in your spine, if you start getting crooked or that hip is dropped tremendously. If it's not dropping, if you feel balance. Also what we're looking for, that shakiness in that ankle. It's pretty good now. You have to stay around 15 seconds. And you can also close your eyes. This is the next level. It's gonna tell you if you have any vestibular problem issue. So let's switch to the right, like I said. And this one, I do feel definitely need something to improve. That ankle. See, it's almost 15 seconds, but yeah, I get that shakiness and I feel I want to start shift. So if you experience stuff like that, you definitely need to go through the therapy, manual therapy or physical therapy to correct that hip. Make sure that's even. If you guys in Los Angeles, definitely give us a call. We can do those tests, release your PSOIS muscle, activate your glutes, and that's why we're here. If you're great, excellent, good job. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.